Hi everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about inner join in Power BI. Power BI, as you know, Power BI supports different types of joins. We have six different types of joins in Power BI, and one of the important join mechanism is this inner join. It is similar to the one what we have used in SQL. Okay, so those who know SQL, you should hear about this word called join. So inner join is also working on the same principle. So in order to demonstrate this inner join, I have two different tables created. Of course, I've created them in a CSV. So I have a table called employee record 1 and employee record 2. So here I have some datas, three different rows of data. In employee record 2 also I have three different set of datas. So here you have a common column called employee ID. So this is the column which exists in both the tables. So in employee record 1 and record 2. And here I am capturing employee name, employee age, and here I am capturing employee address and date of birth. So in order to explain how this inner join works in Power BI, let me quickly open the Word and I'm just going to paste the table number 1. So this is my left table, and similarly I have a right table, or this is my table 2. Let me copy this item as well. Okay, so how this inner join works is it will simply match. Example, I am taking employee ID as the common column here between these two tables. Employee ID as a primary key or a column, common column. In this case, it will go and check which employee IDs matching with the table 2, that is the right table. Here if you see 1001 Venkatesh 20 is exactly matching with this 1001 Chennai 5 6 2005. So other datas are not at all matching. 1002 is not matching with other datas. 1003 is also not matching. So similarly, so no other datas are matching, since it will keep only this particular record, and it will merge along with the right table. So the left table will be merged along with the right table. The final column will be, so it will create employee ID, employee name, employee age, and it will join the right table using address, date of birth, and final output would be 1001 is matching between both the tables, and name will be Venkatesh, and age is 20, address is Chennai, and date of birth is 0506 2005. When the merge is happening in Power BI, it will ask your options to, in the right table, that is table number 2, you can also, hide or, show the tables that you want. So let me open Power BI and show you this particular demo. I'm going to import the data from CSV file. So I have the file in trainings, Power BI, employee record 1, I'm loading it. So I'm just giving transform data so that data will be loaded and transformed to the Power Query editor. In the same way, I'm getting another file which is employee record 2. I'm loading the data into Power Query editor. As you know, both the tables are having employee ID as the common column, meaning this would be your primary key, and 1001 is the data which is matching. As explained in the word, 1001 is the data which is common in both the table. So how do you apply this inner join? So this can be applied with the option called merge queries. So here you will find two different options. Merge queries will make the changes in your current query, that is current table, which is employee record 1. Merge queries as new will create a new sheet under a queries tab. So I'm going to choose this option, meaning I'm going to make a change and I'm going to keep that as a separate query, separate table. So Here you need to source and destination, that is left table and right table. So the employee record 1 is the table number 1, so I am choosing it. Employee record 2 is the table number 2, I am choosing it. And also make sure that you choose the common column between these two tables. So I am selecting employee ID from employee record 1. From employee record 2, I am choosing employee ID. So here you need to see what type of query you are going to apply. I mean, what type of join you are going to apply. Let me choose inner as a join, so that it will fetch only the matching records between two tables. It will merge and match only the common elements. As I said earlier, it has done the merge, and here you can see the employee 2 record. If you expand this, it will ask the options like what are all the columns that you need from employee 2. Let me uncheck this employee ID because it is already there from employee 1 table. So I'm just clicking on OK. So as you can see, it is merging two tables. It will compare both the table, and whichever records are matching, so that will get merged using this inner join. I hope this is very useful for you. Similar to the SQL, we in Power BI also we have different merge queries. We have 6 different types of merge queries. We will discuss all those things in the further sessions. Thank you.